In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Google Sheets. If you share spreadsheets with a team or simply want to prevent accidental edits, protecting your data is a must. I'll walk you through locking an entire sheet or specific cells and show you what the permission settings actually do so you can choose the right level of protection. Start by opening Google Sheets in the spreadsheet you want to secure. Make sure you have editing access to the file since only editors and owners can set protections. With your spreadsheet open, look at the top menu bar and click Data. This is where Google puts tools that help you manage and safeguard your information. From the Data menu, choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. A sidebar will open on the right side of your screen. This is the control center for locking content. You'll use it to decide whether you want to lock a specific set of cells or an entire tab. Now choose what you want to protect. If you only need to safeguard certain cells like formulas, header rows, or totals, pick range and enter or select the cells you want. You can type something like A1B10 or click the small grid icon to select the range directly on the sheet. If you want to lock a whole tab, switch to the sheet option, then choose the sheet name from the list. Protecting a sheet is helpful for templates or finalized reports where nothing should change. When your selection looks right, click Set Permissions. This is where you decide how strict the protection should be. You can restrict editing so only specific people can make changes, such as just you, or a short list of trusted collaborators. Alternatively, you can show a warning when someone tries to edit, which is useful when you want to discourage changes without fully blocking them. Choose the option that fits your workflow, and keep in mind that protection controls editing, not viewing. Once you've chosen the permission settings, click Done. Your range or sheet is now protected. If someone without permission tries to edit it, they'll either see a warning or be blocked from making changes depending on what you selected. A couple of tips as you finish up. Give your protected area a clear description so you remember what it covers, and know that you can return to the Protect Sheets and Ranges sidebar anytime to adjust or remove protections as your project evolves. That's it. You've locked down your Google Sheet with the right balance of flexibility and control.